guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we are here because we're going to be unboxing my husband's Stitch Fix box for April. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out a style profile to give your measurements and your height and your likes and your dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is going to be paired with you. He or she is going to choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, accessories, whatever you want. And when you do your style profile, you can tell them the things that you want to have sent and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get sent to you for free, and you're going to try them on in the comfort of your own home. You'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep one item from the box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to the cost of that one item. And if you keep all 5 items in your box, then you get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee. So this is my husband's, I think, 5th box, and we're gonna go ahead and see what he got for this month. When you open up the box, you're going to see the directions on what to do. Checkout is online. Everything is super convenient. You've got that prepaid mailer bag, so shipping is free both ways. It's free to get to you, and it's free to return anything. So you're going to use this bag if there's anything that you don't like, or if you need to make any exchanges on sizes, you'll put those items in this bag. Inside, you're going to get this envelope, and you're going to have your price invoice sheet, which I'm going to set to the side, and this is his 5th box. And you're also going to get a style card with a note from the stylist and some style suggestions for the pieces inside your box. So he has a different stylist. I think this is his 3rd stylist that he's had, but let's see what she says. It says, "Scott, my name is Renee, and I'm happy to be styling you for your 5th fix. I hope you are hanging in there during these unsettling times. For this fix, I included another pair of Mavi pants to try in olive. As you already know, Mavi makes well-made pants in a mix of materials that will wear well. I'm sorry I didn't have any luck on finding black dress pants, but we'll keep looking. Pair the Hakara Polo with the pants for a stylish look. I included 2 Fairlane and Sons dress shirts to try since you were looking for some dress shirts for church. Both are well made by a company exclusive to Stitch Fix. Let me know what you think of the styles and fit. Finally, I included an 01 Olgo V to have on hand as a casual shirt option. I look forward to hearing your feedback on what works. Cheers, Renee." And so here is his style card with the different pairings of the different pieces that he has in his box. And let's take a look at this bundle. So this is what his bundle looks like. We got those olive pants right there. And we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Now, I can't get my husband to try on any clothing items on camera, so I'm going to open this up, I'm going to let him try them on, and then I'll come back and I'll let you know what he likes and what he doesn't like. So the first thing on the top of the box is the Fairlane and Sons Easy Care dress shirt, and it's in a 2XL tall. So it's got this red and blue, it's got like a darker blue and a lighter blue and a red stripe. It is a long sleeve top, which we were kind of hoping for more short sleeve tops. So yeah, it's a really nice dress shirt. I think he'll like that one. It would pair well with khakis. It would also pair well with jeans. So that looks like a good option. Next is Fairlane and Sons Easy Care dress shirt. And it says it's in light gray. It's in a 2XL tall. So this one is a light blue, but it looks like, yeah, it is a gray. It looks like it would pair well with those olive green pants, but it is also a long sleeve dress shirt. So yeah, that looks like a good one. Next is, it says Hakara Karson Spacedye Polo in light blue, also in a 2XL tall. So it's like a light blue, but it almost looks gray. It is definitely a light blue, but it's got that Spacedye, like a mix of light and dark blues. So it's a nice polo. He likes polos for spring and summer. So that looks promising. And next is an 01 Olgo Peter Performance V in teal green 2XL. And the only thing is I think he got the same color of shirt in his last box, but in a crew neck. But it's a nice looking shirt. Love the color. Blue's a great color for him, but Like I said, I think he got one with a crew neck, but this one's a V-neck and it's very soft. And then last but not least, we have the Mavi Matte Relaxed Fit Pant in olive, and I think he got one of these same pairs of pants in gray, and he really liked it, but it's a nice olive color. Yep, so a nice dress pant. It has those little markings on the pocket. So yeah, I'm gonna have him try all this on, and I'll be right back to tell you how he feels about all the different pieces. Be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back to talk about prices and to let you know what my husband thought about the items that were sent in his box. And the first thing on the list was the Fairlane and Sons Easy Care dress shirt in a 2XL tall. And the cost of this shirt was $49.50, and he likes the colors and he liked the fit of the shirt, although he is looking for more short sleeve shirts. I'm gonna have to put that in his note. I think because I requested a shirt and tie for Easter, that's what she went with, were long sleeve shirts for church. And so he likes it, so we're gonna keep it, and then if he doesn't get to wear it now, he can wear it more in the fall, in the winter time. So yeah, we're gonna keep that one. It's a nice dress shirt. Next was the 01 Olgo Peter Performance V in teal green in a 2XL, and that's this top right here. It is super soft. The only issue we had with this top is he does not like V-neck shirts, and so because the shirt is the cheapest item in the box, it's only $29, we're gonna keep it. He did get, I thought it was a crew neck shirt, but it was actually a polo in the same exact color in his last box, and I think the reason why he got the same color again was because he had a different stylist this time. So because it was cheaper to keep it, we're gonna go ahead and keep it, and he said it would be something that he would wear around the house, and you know, more of a just to wear for comfort. So, and the cost of that shirt was $29. Next was the Hakurai Karson Spacedye Polo in light blue, and it was in a 2XL tall, and the cost of this shirt, or this polo I should say, was $39. And so it's that Spacedye, and it's a polo, and that's kind of what he was looking for, short sleeve polos or dress shirts for spring and summer. So I'm gonna have to update that stylist note, but he liked this one. He liked the way it came up on his neck and the buttons and things like that. So we're gonna be keeping that. Next was another Fairlane and Sons Easy Care dress shirt in light gray, 2XL tall. And this is like the first one I showed you, but this one is like a light blue with a gray. And it actually looks really good with the olive pants, because the gray in the shirt pulls kind of olive when he wears it with the pants. And it's also $49.50, so we're gonna keep that one. And then the last item was the Mavi Matte Relaxed Fit Pant in olive, and we knew he would like these because he kept a charcoal gray pair in a couple of boxes ago. And these are the pricey item at $98, so we'll keep that a secret, but they are very nice pants. They wash up well, they're very soft, and they fit him really well. So the total cost of the box, the stylist pick subtotal was $265. With the buy all discount of 25%, you get to take off $66.25, which gives an order subtotal of $198.75. But he did have somebody sign up when he had a promo for a $75 credit. So somebody signed up with that credit, and so he gets $75 taken off. Shipping is free, so the entire box is $123.75, which is a great price for a pair of really nice pants, 2 dress shirts, and a polo and a casual t-shirt. So he does have a credit, I think right now, for $50 off of your first box. So I'm gonna link that in the description box below. So if you've never tried Stitch Fix, you can use that link to get $50 off of your first box. It would make your box free, and then you would get $50 to put towards anything that you would wanna keep in the box. If you have any comments or questions, leave that in the comments boxes below. And until next time, bye guys.